Honorable MLA Sirani Sanjay Garu, Surabaya constituency, and also member PTC board. Honorable person Sri Kunni Masur Reddy Garu and Srimati Kala Reddy, Chairman Kunni Trust, and Sri Raghuram Garu, PTC member, and Sri Raghuram Raju Garu, NTPC member, Sri Ganesh Garu, ex-serpent and Gandhi Garu, and also Somali, Engineer, Remuneer, and all the members, and all the honorable members who attend to this program, my hearty wishes to and welcome to all the members. Today is a remarkable day because of Buddhist and qualitative science lab sponsored by honorable chairperson for Guru Trust, Sri Masur Reddy Garu, from Representative Village of Bojangunda. The ambition for chairperson Guru Trust is to develop scientific knowledge and skills in the children who are studying in rural areas. The most value of education because being high qualified educationalists. In some of their children who study well and become good scientists, their services utilized to develop our country. Everybody knows and also even one slogan by Mother Teresa, ప్రార్థించే తెలుగుల కన్నా సాయం చేసే చేతుల గుణం. The slogan applicable to our chairperson Masur Reddy Garu for his great charity. Today everybody knows the importance of science and technology and how the people depend on science and technology.